In the solemn, dust-ridden soil of Mazoe, another fine soldier has been taken. Retired Major General Herbert Chingono, found dead on his farm, did not fall to any enemy bullet in the bush where he fought. Instead, sources close to his family and fellow veterans insist he was hounded to his death by the very government he helped bring to power. His crime, telling the truth about the constitution. The death of General Chingono and the price of defying ED2030. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chingono 68 was discovered yesterday by state media, the ever-faithful mouthpiece of the administration, swiftly declared he died of a short illness and conferred national hero status upon him. Those who knew him tell a different story. To the men who signed the famous March 2026 Muchena Declaration 2026 against the 2030 term extension, his death was no accident. They view it as a political assassination carried out by 2030 goons, desperate to silence a growing revolt against President Mnangagwa's controversial Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3. To understand why the old guard is defying, one must look at the words they left behind. Days before his death, General Chingono signed a parliamentary submission that serves as a damning indictment of the Second Republic. In this document, now known as Muchena Declaration 2026 against the 2030 agenda, Chingono and his comrades invoked the spirit of Gore Remasimba Evano, the year of the people's power, reminding ZPF that sovereignty belongs to the masses, not to the privileged few. They labeled Sugananda, "We did not fight for Zimbabwe where the majority are spectators." The declaration reads, "We fought so that every Zimbabwean would have an equal and inviolable voice." By demanding a referendum, the generals directly challenged the bill seeking to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028 and scrap in direct presidential elections for Chingono. This was personal. As a sharp strategist and former military attaché to the United States, he was instrumental in the 2017 Operation Stolegas that ousted Mugabe. Now he felt the same opportunist he once fought way back, attempting to accept the will of the people. Domashwarubuda Bangwa Idwe, I will come so pay the death. Ya General Chingono. And I'm going to section videos of Fungre in your boat to the Pamso Pitch. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.